So this is a quick assembly demonstration of the new MiniFlicker amplifier board. For this you just need a flicker LED, a couple of 470 ohm resistors, an N-channel MOSFET, and a couple of wires, and then the new MiniFlicker board. Assembly is super straightforward. It's all standard through-hole soldering. Put them through, bend the wires, solder them together. I'm going to demonstrate the whole process here at 2x speed, just to give you a sense of exactly what's entailed. You can assemble the whole board in 5 minutes or less. For the connecting wires, I typically use 18 gauge standard landscaping wire. This is similar to lamp wire, but it's a little bit more robust and UV stable. I just remember that ground is groovy and that the hot burns off all of the grooves. And that helps me remember to keep the smooth wire as the positive terminal and the groovy side as the negative terminal to ground. Once you finish soldering the board, all that's left to do is to hook up one side to power and the other side to an LED light. I typically run the MiniFlicker board on 12 volts DC current. That lets us use standard automotive LED lights, which are really bright and give a nice flicker effect that you can see here. If you put a diffuser on, like some paper or a little bit of plastic, it lets you see the flickering effect even better. For more details, check the description, as well as my blog, jekkalabs.com.